is messaging me. Let me just make sure that this is not something important real quick. Okay. All right. So it looks like I'm going to have to end this session pretty soon. I got a honey-do list to attend to. Okay. I'm going to read through these as fast as I can. As fast as my dyslexic brain can allow me to process this information. Okay. It says, Spade says, I'm maybe 5 months into my first industry position as a tier 1. Oh yeah, tier 1 security operations center analyst. I guess I'm not exactly entry level, but I'm looking to make some more money. Well, yeah, I would. So one of the things that I did, looking for a junior security analyst role. Oh, okay. So one of the things that I did that immediately made me more valuable and is there's certain certifications. Now, one of my courses actually talks about this, but I can mention a couple right now. There's certain certifications that lend themselves to making more money. Like, just off the top of my head, a CISSP certification, and then there's certain skills. Well, actually, let me name a couple other certifications. Any kind of professional level certification is going to get you more money. CISSP, the CASP, CISM, CISA, CCNP. Those are our professional level certifications. Entry level security certifications would be like Security Plus, and there's a few other ones. But so okay, so those are certifications. And then for skills, if you're in a SOC, that would be SIEMs. Like if you know Splunk, if you know ArcSight's not as hot anymore, but Splunk is super hot. If you know some of the IDSs and IPSs, if you're deep in the firewalls, if you can configure them, hot. If Palo Alto's a hot one, but if it's security analyst work, so you're looking at more stuff that's looking at logs. McAfee products, Nessus is a good one, but the top ones right now that's still on fire would be Splunk. Yeah, Splunk. And then another hot one, like it's getting more hot, I would say would be cybersecurity. Cybersecurity threat intelligence stuff is getting pretty hot. Cloud computing, if you know that one, like more and more organizations are using it, so they need people who know some of the vulnerabilities of cloud technology. What kind of gotchas that organizations fall into is another good thing to know. So those skill sets are immediately get you in another bracket of pay. You know, I have to warn you though, once you get to another bracket of pay, you got to deal with the IRS, but that's a whole nother conversation.